how to get transcript from YouTube video. First, open any of your internet browser and go to youtube.com. Open any video you want to copy the transcript from. Scroll down and click on More under the video description. Scroll down once more to the bottom and click on Show Transcript button. You can see here is the video transcript on the right-hand side of the video. You can now press Ctrl+F on your keyboard. Then search any word in the search bar to jump onto any particular part of the video. If you want to copy the whole transcript of the video, remove the word you entered in the search box. First, click on these three vertical dots and then click on Toggle Timestamps. Now click and drag the left mouse click to highlight the script. Once selected, right-click on it and then click Copy, or you can press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.